Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to fix the Delta Executor Chinese errors that can appear on your iOS device in 2025. First, let's take a closer look at the common errors you might encounter. Error codes 50,000 and 50003. To effectively fix these errors, we need to identify the root cause. Let's walk through some troubleshooting steps. Method 1. Simply restart your iOS device to resolve any temporary glitches that might be causing these errors. Method 2. Ensure that you have the latest version of Delta Executor, as updates may increase compatibility. Method 3. Clear the app's cache and data to fix any potentially corrupted files. Method 4. If the issues persist, consider reinstalling Delta Executor to eliminate ongoing problems. Method 5. Finally, check your device settings and permissions for Delta Executor to ensure it has proper access. Additionally, troubleshooting any network connection issues is essential, as they can also trigger these error codes. In conclusion, following these methods should help you resolve Delta Executor errors on your iOS device. Remember to keep your app updated and check settings regularly to prevent future issues.